Jabba, acres over markets. Link your wife when you want it. Cause when side girl link up, child support that lead to
acres over markets. You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People who are going. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notification so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Acres over markets. Link your wife when you want it. Cause when side girl link up, child support that lead to.
So people, you're listening to Youngster Acres Over Markets, aka Ambition. I really think Ambition is the song name, but me love call it Acres Over Markets. And for the selector them what they bought, I want to get this song on dub, just like when I play now, cause this is a dub for Bobby Candas and Jabba. You can just link the number you see on your screen right now. Alright?
Your wife when you want it. Cause when side girl link up, child support that lead to.
And before I go any further in this review, I'm seeking some assistance for this 8-year-old girl that is diagnosed with sickle cell. People, I'm going to make her mother tell her everything what's going on right now. Watch this video.
Hi, good morning. I'm Terry and Henry. This is my daughter, Jada Thomas. She's diagnosed with sickle cell at 8 months old. From that time until now, she's been in and out of hospital. Anyone out there who will willing to help my daughter, she's 8 years old. Jada Thomas can contact me at 513-2607. Yesterday the doctor told me that she needs her legs to be cast because the bone is getting bad. So please, anyone out there willing to help her can get contact with me on that number. Thank you.
Please, me I go ask if you can help, please just help. You know I'm passionate about that something here because me have sickle cell as well. Alright, so people, if you can help, just help. The link I got in the description or in the comment section. Alright, or if you can't help, just share this video. Probably someone you share it with can help. Alright, let's move on.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Youngster said that.
So the first story we're gonna look at is Toots and the Maytals win Best Grammy Album at 2021 Grammys. Legendary Jamaican brand Toots and the Maytals have won the 2021 Grammy for Best Reggae Album at the 63rd Annual Awards. The prestigious award is a fitting posthumous tribute to the band's frontman Frederick Toots Ebert, who died last year on September 11 at the age of 77, 2 weeks after Got to Be Tough was released. The 10-track album was also his first in 10 years.
Got to be tough when things get rough.
Toots and the Maytals' Got to Be Tough album won against Buju Banton Upside Down 2020, Skip Marley Higher Place, Maxi Priest It All Come Back to Love, and The Wailers One World. Congratulations to Toots and the Maytals. Big up on yourself. People, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. So Spice, Jada Kingdom and Shaneil Muir performed in Texas over the weekend. People, check out these highlights.
I want rule me up here tonight. Two rules. Two rules me up here tonight. Do not touch me and do not lift me up. I weigh 203 pounds. 100 in my breast and the rest in my body. Oh.
We want Spice. We want louder. We want set loud. Set louder. Set louder. Loose up. Texas. Who is the queen of kingdom. Rich Simon say respect, but we have no pride of the name. Houston, Texas, one first promotion. Yes, first promotion. Likewise. Showtime. How are this?
Man ready to act up. They gotta ask if I'm making nervous. You know I'm heavy.
Now, people, it's time for some little mix up and some little drama. Now, some bangarang are going between the Rasta them and the Rasta camp them, circulating. You know what? I don't even call anyone's name, you know. People, I have a voice note that I'm going to play for you. It sounds like it's a leaked voice note coming out of the Rasta camp. Listen to this voice note. It's kind of choppy, so you have to listen good, alright?
It's a lot of secret. I'm on ear. I speak it out. And I'm gonna get the ear. Some of the secret them. How comes the Nyabingi Asian Council and all of the brethren them and sisters them no say and hear this saying Queen Ifrica catch Mitzi our sister Mitzi, our daughter Mitzi, our what kind of Mitzi saying with J9 on the boat saying the boat with Ivory and everybody go play jump and bongo tour. Catch the two of them in a room naked, in a bed, with that man. Mitzi.
So people, in case you don't hear good, because it, as I said, it kind of choppy, the audio kind of choppy. But the Rasta say, Queen Ifrica catch Janine and Mitzi. Sound like a Janine and Mitzi. I don't know who is this Mitzi person. I know who are Janine, but for who don't know who is Janine, I guess you know I forgot to do the research there. Alright? People, tell me what you think about that. What kind of bangarang this are going in at the Rasta camp. And just to make things clear, Janine would be a female and Mitzi would be a female. Queen Ifrica catch them naked, skin to skin, and do things. Cha-cha. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.